Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to check the performance of your email campaigns in Hubspot without wasting time digging through endless menus, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to measure your email and campaign performance with just a single click. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or just starting with HubSpot, this quick walkthrough will give you everything you need to track success instantly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Head over to the HubSpot homepage and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on the Marketing tab. This is where all your email campaigns and marketing tools live. Inside the Marketing section, select Campaigns. You'll now see a full list of your active and past campaigns. Think of this page as your command center for everything email related. Next, choose the specific campaign you want to analyze. For example, let's say you want to review an abandoned cart campaign. Just click the name of that campaign. Here's where the magic happens. Hit the Performance button. With a single click, HubSpot instantly takes you to a detailed performance dashboard. This dashboard is your ultimate snapshot of how well your email and campaign are performing. Let's break down the key metrics you'll see. Open rates. This tells you the percentage of recipients who opened your email. A higher open rate means your subject lines and timing are on point. Click-through rates, CTR. This shows how many people clicked the links inside your email, critical for measuring engagement. Conversion metrics. Finally, you'll see how many recipients completed the action you wanted, like making a purchase or signing up for a webinar. This is the true measure of success. The best part? HubSpot updates these numbers in real time, so you can instantly see which campaigns are thriving and which ones might need a tweak. No extra steps, no complex reports. And that's it. Tracking your email and campaign performance on HubSpot is literally that simple. Just log in, head to Marketing, choose your campaign, and click Performance. One click, and you have all the insights you need to make smarter marketing decisions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any HubSpot questions you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.